Hello guys, my name is Micah and I'm on the mic. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys about how to check your course in case the school you are applying for gives you an alternative course. Let me say you are going for medicine and surgery and it changes your course. The school decide to change your course to nursing, pharmacy or any other course. How do I assess this? How do I know in my caps that the school have changed my course? Today we're going to dive into this video and the three parts. We already know how to access our caps. So if you don't know how to access your caps, just go back to my last video and see how to access your caps properly. And we also know how to do what accept our admission in case if you don't know how to do that, just go back to my last video. You will also learn. So today's video will be centered on the transfer approval. How do I check my transfer approval? Firstly, we have to log into our JAMB portal before any other thing. First of all, you search for JAMB. When you search for JAMB, the first link, you click on it, that comes out. As you click on it, you just log in. When you log in, you go down. Please make sure that your settings, your desktop site is on. So you go to check admission status. Then you access caps. Now, as you have accessed these caps, you have to be able to know what the course they give to you now. If this school has given you admission, you might not know if you are not checking your caps regularly. So the first tip in this video is that always check your caps regularly. Why? In case they change your course, so that you'll be able to find out early, because transfer approval happens for only 2 weeks. So if they give you the course and you don't know, after 2 weeks, you will lose the admission. So the first thing now, if you're looking at my interface, you see that I have my profile, my choice of institution, my O level, my A level, regular admission status, part-time and sandwich. You have your own disclosed admission. You have your transfer approval. You have your return name menu. Now, it is a transfer approval I have been talking about. For you to see an alternative course, you have to go through the transfer approval. So what I will do is I will click transfer approval. Now, if you click the transfer approval, you will see the first thing you see here is your your first choice institution want to transfer you from your year program preference to another program course. That is what your transfer approval is. When your choice of institution want to transfer you from your preferred course to another course, you are required to either accept or reject the transfer approval. If you accept, your first choice institution will be able to admit you in the new program. If you reject, you will remain in your preferred course or program. The program transfer will not be affected. And they say no program transfer. Now, this person, they have not yet transferred the person to a course, to a preferred course. Now, this is how to check your JAMB cards. Now, what if they have transferred you? The name of the new course will be written here and the old course. Then they will tell you accept or reject. When you accept it, you are required to do a change of course. But if you reject it, your preferred course will not be affected. The one that you choose will not be affected. But if you accept, you'll be required to do a change of course and the school will transfer you to that program, that new program. This is how to successfully check your caps and access your transfer approval. So if you want to access your transfer approval, this is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to drop a comment for us so that the team will be encouraged and continue to drop good content for you. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao.